Hey guys, today we're going to be changing out a 2 pound spool on a Lincoln Pro Mig 135. It's going to go from a 2 pound spool, we're going to go to 11 pound spool. You want to make sure your welder's unplugged. I don't guess it matters as long as you get it turned off, but I always like to unplug it. Now you want to come in here and loosen up your tension on your wire feed. Open it up. Take your wing nut off. We're going to be going to an 11 pound spool. I think it's on an 8-inch reel. 8-inch spool, and this is solid wire, so you got to use your argon gas. You can see that's got a big hub on it. You got to have an adapter for that. So we got an adapter for it. You can see on the back of your wire, you've got a hole and you've got a tit on your, that's got to slide in there and lock on that, so that'll turn your wire. And it's got a clip here you got to push in, that's what holds your wire on. Still want to put your little hub adapter on. Make sure you line up your little groove with your groove in your shaft. And for now we're going to snug it up. Probably too tight, but we're going to leave it like that for now. And I've used this Vulcan wire here before. It's from Harbor Freight. I can't tell any difference between it and the Lincoln wire, other than the price. You got to make sure you're wiring it straight up and down. If you don't, you can't get your wire, your hub on there. That's got to push in. And like I say, you got to line up your hole with your little tit on your. The way this spools off, you want to make sure your wire comes off the bottom of your spool, that direction, rolls like that, and that's the way this one comes off, so it'll roll in your machine. And I'm not in my hub. We went in at the end. Now you want to make sure you can get your wire undone and not unspool your wire. It may be easier said than done. I'm going to tighten that up pretty tight so it won't spin. Got a little hole right here you gotta put your wire into. Once you get that started through your machine, see how I run it through this hole. got a hole. That's the center part of your that's the center part of your gun where your wire comes out. And it goes on your guide wheel right here. That actually pulls your wire into your gun. Now you want to bump your machine around until you get your Allen wrench up to the top. You can see there's a small Allen wrench on the top. You can see here I've got a groove, a large groove, and I got a small groove. I got to turn this piece of I got to turn that wheel around to line up my groove with my wire. Take a little Allen head. Loosen it up here. Just slide right off. You can see the two different sizes of grooves. There's a large groove, there's a small groove. We'll have to turn the wheel around. You want to make sure you keep the Allen wrench, Allen head on the set screw on the flat part of the shaft. And once you get it lined up, it's tightened back up. Tension on the wheel, and we'll see if we're lined up here. Put the machine on. And we got we're in the groove now. Speed up the wire. Now once you get your wire fed out of your gun a little bit, they make these tips that screw in. It's got different sizes. This is a 0.23. Slide it over your wire, it'll thread in. Bring it tight, and then you've got a shield gas nozzle. There's where your gas comes out of your bottle. Argon 75-25. Then you screw on your tip. Usually you want to keep your tip sticking out about 3/8 of an inch. That's about how you want to weld. We're ready to weld. Hey guys, thanks for watching.